Estwing gun for your picket nail gun for your pickets. Some people call them a siding nailer. This is not a roofing nailer, but this takes these 1.75 inches up to a 2 inch nail in this gun. Um, Easy to load. It does have your switch for single fire or sequential rapid fire as well, and it's pretty lightweight, really. Swivel fitting on the end of it, so that hose moves around a little bit for us. This gun here is a wire feed gun. These are wire feed, but it actually has enough room capacity for a plastic correlated nail. So if you're using the scrails for the instigate kits, the same gun will do the wire feed and the plastic correlated 15-degree nails. So it's one gun for both of them. That kind of an advantage. Some of the cheaper guns out there might only do the wire, and then you got a different gun for the scrails. This is a screw nail for the instigate kits for wood framing. So durable gun. I highly recommend the Estwing gun.